Is the date and time setting locked on your iPhone and you cannot change it manually? Here's how to fix it fast. First of all, check screen time settings. For that, open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, if it's turned on, scroll down, then tap on Location Services. Here, scroll again and choose System Services. And here, make sure Setting Time Zone is toggled on. Next, turn off screen time temporarily. And to do that, go back to the main screen time menu. Then, scroll down and tap on Turn off app and website activity. Enter your screen time passcode if prompted. Then, tap on Turn off app and website activity once again. And once it's off, go back to the main settings menu and tap on General. After that, scroll down and go into Date and Time. You should now be able to change the time manually. If you still can't change it, it could be restricted by device management. Go back to the General Settings menu and scroll all the way down and tap on VPN and Device Management. And if your iPhone is managed by a company or school, you might need admin permission to change time settings. And that's all. You can now adjust your iPhone's date and time manually. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.